Let us do the divisibility check for 3 and 9. Now 3 and 9, the number that is divisible by 3 is going to be divisible by 9, and the number that is going to be divisible by 9 is going to be divisible by 3. How come? Let us check. A number that is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Otherwise it is not divisible by 9. Similarly, if the number has to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be having total that should be divisible by 3, otherwise it is not. Only roughly, if I summarize this, you just add up the digits of the number. If the total is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. If the total is not divisible by 3, the number is not divisible by 3. For example, 3, 5, 7, 6 is a number. Just add them up together. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. This gives you 21. And you know that 21 is divisible by 3, right? It goes with 3 7s are 21. So you can say that since 21 is divisible by 3, therefore 3, 5, 7, 6 will also be divisible by 3. Similarly, you can have a check for the numbers divisibility with 9 also. You can add up the digits of the number. If the sum is divisible by 9, you would get that the number is divisible by 9. But here, for this case only, if you consider the 21, it wasn't divisible by 9. So that means the number was not divisible by 9. Let us check for the next one, 3, 5, 7, 3. Adding up all the digits, we get 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. In this addition, we get 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7 as 15, 15 plus 3 as 18. So now 18 is the divisibility check. For you can check it for 9, you can check it for 3. I am doing it for 9. So I write that 18 is divisible by 9 and 3, right? So we can say that this number particularly 3573 is going to be divisible with 3 as well as it is going to be divisible with 9. So we write that 3573 is divisible by 9 also and by 3 also. There are many such numbers possible which are divisible by both. But as I took the first example, here in that example we had it divisible by 3 only, it wasn't divisible by 9. So as I told you, just check the divisibility for both separately. Do not rely that if the number is divisible by 3, it will be divisible by 9, right? Please make sure you do that. So for if you generalize this for any number a, b, c, the expanded form would be this. Therefore, if you do it in the further form, you write 100a as 99a plus a. 10b can be written as 9b plus b plus c. Now here 99a plus 9b can be written together and a plus b plus c can be written together, just rearranging them. That means you can check that the divisibility of this 99 and 9. If you take out the 9's common, you would get that these are divisible by 9.